civil engineers, I welcome you all once again to this webinar series on civil engineering excellence. Friends, आज हम लोग बात करेंगे एक प्रोजेक्ट के लिए टाइम पीरियड कितना होना चाहिए. What is the ideal time to complete a project? Now, how do we calculate the time period? See, there are various ways on which the time period can be calculated. One is normally department which is adopted is the past experience. Similar project you might have executed in the recent past, and based on that experience you may put the time period, say for example 2 years or 3 years or 2.5 years, whatever is coming. That is one way. Another is CPWD has given a guideline how to calculate the time period. See, based on their experience, CPWD has got more than 150-155 years of experience. Based on their previous experience, they have given some guidelines. Say for example, a 4-story building is there, normal residential complex if we talk. So what should be the time we should take per story, how much we should add. Again, if in the additional items are there, say provision of lift is there or special items are there, then add for the timing. Those things are given, so that guidelines you can take. And then another thing you can always add for the unforeseen things which varies from department to department. See, you may be having a security restriction in department, there may be a restriction of working hours. It is a remote area project, suppose the approach is not very clear. So many factors are there. So this executing agency, senior people have to go through it thoroughly, and then real time calculation must be made. See, if you are too much optimistic about a project and you indicate 2 years or something, and the real time working out maybe 3 years or 3.5 years, then there will be a lot of complications. Too much optimization is also not good, and too much pessimistic also is not good. What you should do is the real time calculation should be made. Unfortunately, in our working system, particularly in government department, this time period for a project generally decided either by the bureaucrats or by the political leaders, and then they commit something to the public, like for example this flyover, it will be made in 2 years, this bridge will be made in so much short period, and then these executing agencies, that time they are not in a position to refuse. But in my opinion, my suggestion, we should properly calculate the time period, and we should be able to convince the management or convince the department top officials that this is the real time, and without this time it cannot be calculated, because civil works or electrical, mechanical, everything is interconnected. Every item has got an interlink with the other item. See, unless you complete the foundation, you cannot go to come to the floor columns. Unless floor columns receive some strength, you cannot put floor beam and floor slab. Unless the floor slab and beam receive some strength, safe strength, you cannot go for second floor. Similarly, for example, brickwork you are doing, unless brickwork is cured properly, you cannot go for plaster activities. Unless plaster is over, you cannot go for flooring activities. Like that, each and every activity is connected. So one must calculate all these things and then arrive at the time schedule. So ideal time we should be able to calculate and put up to the management. If you are going with that, you will face least problem during the execution of the contract. If you go too much optimistic, see, suppose for example your calculation is coming for 36 months, you are putting 24 months and inviting the tenders. Contracting agencies, what they will do? They will also minimize their program and give a schedule of 24 hours. They very well know it cannot be possible, but they will also submit the tender, and then real execution, what happens? This work will not be completed, then they have to apply for extension, you have to grant the extension, then so many other complications comes, compensation for delay, and so many things will be coming. So it is always better to go with the real time program. So this is all about how to calculate the time period for a project. Thanks for watching. Thank you. नेक्स्ट वीडियो में दोस्तों हम लोग बात करेंगे अवार्ड ऑफ कॉन्ट्रैक्ट के बारे में. मिलते हैं नेक्स्ट वीडियो में. थैंक यू.